Yo, Key Nation, what's going on, man? It's your boy Manuel King, and today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get melodic rap vocals. I know y'all want to sound like Lil Baby. I know y'all want to sound like Roddy Ricch. I know y'all want to sound like Young Thug. All of them. So I'm gonna teach y'all exactly how to do it, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, 'cause we a movement, boy. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so y'all see it in the monitor here. We are going to be going over how to get melodic rap vocals using Autotune. We got plenty of rappers out here that's making their wave. You got Lil Baby, you got Young Thug, you got Polo G, you got all these rappers that be using melodic rap vocals now. I guess I don't know if this is an era, if this is a trend, or if this is just the way that rap is finna be going for the next 5 to 10 years, but I'm a melodic type of guy, so I am here for it. Anyways, I recorded this song. It's called Turning Corners. I recorded this song about a year ago, something like that. I never released it, but you know, I figured this would be a good example to use so that you guys can know exactly how to sound like, you know, the industry. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. What I will say though is that with this vocal performance, it wasn't my best. I ain't even gonna cap to you. This vocal performance wasn't my best. You know, I'm really a singer for real, but you know, we'll just go into it and I'm gonna show y'all what we got. You feel me? Yeah, let's run it. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Let me get everything situated here. I'm gonna play it firstly without the auto-tune, okay? We're gonna play it firstly without the auto-tune. And I don't even know why I'm disengaging these plugins when I could have just bypassed it, but it's okay, man. Look, one take Jake. We not finna mess around, bro. Okay, so like I said, this vocal performance was not my best. I am a singer, but this wasn't it. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got.
Thugger try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Cause we live in a space where ain't no niggas turning corners.
So that was the vocal performance, okay? Like I said, it wasn't my best. Definitely wasn't my best. Maybe I had a cold or something. I don't know. But you're going to see what it sound like after we engage the auto-tune, right? So, boom. This is the instrumental that I use. That's not the, it's called Waves _ but I bought the least to this beat. So the actual instrumental is Polo G and Roddy Ricch something. I don't know what it is, but that's what the actual instrumental is, right? So we'll go ahead and we will find it. But oh, one thing that we have to do, I didn't even mention this before. When you import a beat on a session, okay, anytime you put in a session and you import a beat, you have to make sure you find the key to it first. You must find a key. That is very, very important. That is very imperative to the melodic rap vocal process. You have to find the key. So there's many plugins that you can use. You can use, I think Autotune provides a plugin that you can use in order to find the key. I use Mixed in Key. I will put the description, the link in the description below so that you guys can use it. I've been using Mixed in Key for a long time now, probably about 3 years, 2 or 3 years, something like that. But I've been using Mixed in Key for a long time now. It's been good for me. And, you know, I'm kind of ingrained in my ways. I've been mixing for about 4 to 5 years, so I'm ingrained in my ways. It would be a lot easier and a lot quicker if I just got a plug in. But, you know, I'm hard-headed. You feel me? So let me go ahead and open this back up. It's called Mixed in Key. Like, see, this is Mixed in Key 7. Don't quit. What are you quitting on me for? Okay, cool. Yeah, this is Mixed in Key. You gonna work, bruh? Okay, all right. Anyways, this is Mixed in Key 7. Mixed in Key, I think 10 is out now. So, like I said, that's the earliest version. Excuse me, the latest version. You guys can use it if you want. But for right now, we finna rock with this one. So, we got Free, Waves, Polo G, and Roddy Ricch. This is the instrumental. I already have it up. You see Turning Corners. This is the project file. So, we just open it up. Boom. Key result, 12A. So, now we just gonna navigate to read tutorial here. And just scroll down and see what 12A is. D flat minor. That is the key for the song. So that's what we're going to use, right? Boom. Let's get up out of here. D flat minor. Keep that in mind. And then if you guys want to use like even as a reminder, say you come back into the session and you start messing around with some other things or whatever, the key is right up here for Logic Pro X. If you're using a different DAW, you have to find where the key might be, but the key for Logic Pro X is going to be right here, so we know it's D flat minor. Let us put that there. Actually, it's not D flat minor because that key does not exist. Okay, so boom, I'm actually glad that this happened. So that key does not exist, right? If you're familiar with music theory, D flat minor at least won't exist on here, right? So you have D sharp minor. So what you'll do is you'll put D flat minor into the Autotune scale, and what it'll do is it'll translate it to the actual key that Autotune can find, right? So here, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm glad that this happened because this is actually a unique experience and it's going to separate my videos from all the other ones. Okay, so boom, we're going to open up Autotune, right? Now, we know that I'm not a soprano, I'm an alto tenor. That's the category of input that we're going to be using, right? And so we'll try to put in D flat, right? Because that's what it said on D flat minor. See, now it changes to C sharp minor. That is the key that this Autotune is it will find for it, right? So C sharp minor. I tried to put in D, and it's just gonna change. It's gonna change to the scale that it actually can find on Autotune, right? So C sharp minor. So we'll go up here to the key and just put in C sharp minor, and we know that that is the key for the song. Now let me go here. Yeah. Okay. So we know that that's the key for the song, right? Now, before when I played it, y'all heard what it sounded like. I know y'all heard what it sounded like. Let me go ahead and just bypass this in here. This is what it sounds like.
Thugger try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Cause we live in a space where ain't no niggas turning corners.
So we know that that's what it sounds like with it. Now let's go ahead and engage it, right? We're going to engage the Autotune, and usually you can really hear the Autotune whenever you have rap vocals, whether it be from Roddy Ricch, whether it be Lil Baby, whoever it is, we can really hear the Autotune shining through. I don't know exactly what retune speed we're going to use or humanization, but we will. Now I will say this though, whenever they do release songs and stuff like that, sometimes that you can really hear the humanization in their voice, so we'll toy around with a couple of settings, but for right now we just want the extreme settings so that we can hear it and see what it sounds like. So we're going to turn this retune speed all the way up to 0, and you're gonna see what it sounds like when I throw this on. It's crazy. Hold on.
Thugger try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Cause we live in a space where ain't no niggas turning corners.
Ain't that crazy? Autotune fix everything, bro. I will say this though. Even though I didn't sound the best when I didn't engage the Autotune, I was still in the ballpark of the key that I needed to sing. And that's what you rappers got to know, bro. Like, you have to have some type of sense of musical theory whenever you rap and you want to rap melodically. If you do not have if you can't stay in the key, bro, Autotune is not going to help you. It is not. Autotune is not going to help you. If you singing all crazy, so I can try to shoot the gun and burn on you. If you singing all crazy, bro, Autotune not gonna pick it up, man. I need to show y'all like an actual live. I'm kind of scared to do it because I have the Revelator, my mic right here. I have it kind of. Let me see something, man. We're gonna try something, bro. We're gonna experiment something real fast. Hold on, just so that I can show y'all that if you try to sing crazy, nah. Oh, this is the input device. Nah, I ain't even gonna mess with it. I'll show y'all in like another. I'm gonna show y'all in another video, bro, because I ain't even gonna mess with this. I might mess some stuff up, and we ain't doing that today. But just take my word for it. If you sing crazy, Autotune not gonna pick it up, right? So now, let me go ahead and play the difference, right? We'll go ahead and bypass it and see what it sounds like.
Thug try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you.
Engage it.
Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Cause we live in a space where ain't no niggas turning corners.
All right, let's do it one more time. Disengage.
Thug try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you.
Engage it.
Thug try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you.
All right, so that is what it sounds like whenever you want to get melodic rap vocals. Now, if you want it to be a little bit more humanized, then you definitely can. I'm gonna show y'all what that sounds like. We can turn this humanization all the way up so we can sound a little bit more like a human.
Thug try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you.
And then we can turn this retune speed up a little bit. And what that does is that makes you sound a little bit that makes it sound even more natural. It doesn't attack that speed. It doesn't retune your voice as quickly.
Thug try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. The homies try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Your family try to shoot you, better get the burner on you. Cause we live in a space where ain't no niggas turning corners.
So that is essentially it, man. I don't want to make this tutorial too long, but that is essentially it, man. That is how you get melodic rap vocals. You can do a lot of things with it. I'll probably go into depth as to like these different types of patches that you can have. You can mess with a lot of stuff. I wouldn't necessarily mess with any of these patches specifically for me, but you definitely can do it because it's an option on here. So that is pretty much it, man. If y'all got anything else, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how to use Autotune for R&B vocals as well, because that's different. That's like a whole different ballpark that I want to kind of explain to you guys. So if you guys got any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Gang.